Welcome back to Skibidi Tech. Do you want to jailbreak your iPhone or iPad without using a PC? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you the latest, safest, and most reliable method to jailbreak your iPhone or iPad running iOS 15.0 all the way up to iOS to 6.0.1. And the best part, you don't need a computer at all. In this tutorial, I'll be using Dopamine Jailbreak. For those of you who don't know, Dopamine is a rootless semi-untethered jailbreak. What does that mean? It simply means that if you restart your iPhone or iPad, the jailbreak will be temporarily disabled, and you'll need to open the Dopamine app and jailbreak your device again to reactivate your tweaks and jailbreak applications. The good news is that the latest Dopamine update has expanded compatibility and now supports many additional devices and iOS versions. Right now, I'm testing this method on my iPhone 11 Pro running iOS 18.5, and as you can see, I already have Sileo and Zebra installed on my device, and both of them are working perfectly. But before we get started, make sure to check the supported device list because not every device is compatible. So, if your device is supported, let's begin. Okay, first open Safari, and then open the Skibidi Tech website. I will add the website link in the description. Then hit on Get Started. Now hit Allow to download the profile in your iPhone or iPad. Now open Setting, and then open Downloaded Profile, and then hit Install, and then hit Install again to install downloaded profile in your iPhone or iPad. Now you will see the Skibidi Tech app on your iPhone or iPad home screen. Now open the Skibidi Tech app. Then hit on the Others option at bottom. Then hit on the Dopamine option on top. Now you will see different dopamine links available there. You can use any one of them, but always start with the top first one. Simply hit on the arrow down button in front of the top first link, and then hit Install to install Dopamine in your iPhone or iPad. Remember, if one link don't work, then you can try other links as well to install Dopamine in your iPhone or iPad. Once Dopamine is installed in your iPhone or iPad, now open Setting, and then open General, and then open VPN and Device Management, and then open Enterprise app, and then hit Trust, and then hit Allow and Restart to let the Dopamine app work in your iPhone or iPad. After restart, now you will see that the Dopamine app will start working properly without any problem. Now simply hit on Jailbreak option. Then simply select the package manager you want to install in your iPhone or iPad. Then hit Continue. Now simply set the password and wait for the process to finish. Your device may automatically respring or restart during the installation process. Don't worry, this is completely normal. Once the process is complete, unlock your device. As you can see, Sileo and Zebra has been installed successfully. Remember, because Dopamine is a semi-untethered jailbreak, restarting your device will disable the jailbreak. If that happens, simply open the Dopamine app and press Jailbreak again. It only takes a few seconds to reactivate everything. And that's it. That's how you can jailbreak your iPhone or iPad running iOS 15.0 through iOS to 6.0.1 without using a PC. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss any new jailbreak videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.